What climate differences should Americans expect in Europe? Imagine waking up to a different kind of weather every few hundred miles. Moving to Europe means adjusting to a wide range of climate patterns that can surprise you. Europe's climate varies greatly from north to south and east to west. If you're thinking about living, working, or retiring there, understanding these differences can help you prepare. In Western Europe, including the United Kingdom, Ireland, France, and the coastal parts of Germany and the Netherlands, the climate is mainly maritime. That means mild winters and cool summers, thanks to the Atlantic Ocean nearby. Winters rarely get very cold, and snow is less common in cities but more frequent in the mountains. Summers are generally comfortable, with temperatures rarely soaring above 30 degrees Celsius. Rain is spread throughout the year, so you might find yourself needing an umbrella often. Moving eastward to Central Europe, which covers southern Germany, Poland, Austria, and parts of Scandinavia, the climate becomes more transitional. Winters are colder with more snow, especially in mountainous areas like the Alps. Summers can be warm or hot, with temperatures sometimes reaching 35 degrees Celsius. Precipitation is more seasonal, peaking in the summer months, and the temperature swings are more noticeable than in maritime zones. Further east and north, in countries like Ukraine, Belarus, Russia, and northern Scandinavia, the climate is classified as continental. Winters here are long and very cold, often dropping below -20 degrees Celsius. Snow cover can last 4 months, and the cold can be quite harsh. Summers tend to be warm or hot, sometimes even hotter than in Western Europe, with temperatures reaching 35 degrees Celsius or higher. Precipitation is generally lower, and the weather can be quite dry during the summer. In southern Europe, including Spain, Italy, Greece, and southern France, the climate is Mediterranean. Summers are hot and dry, with temperatures frequently exceeding 35 degrees Celsius. Winters are mild and wet, with temperatures rarely falling below 10 degrees Celsius. This region is perfect if you love sunshine and warmth, but be prepared for heat waves and droughts during the summer months. Americans moving to Europe should also consider seasonal changes. Many regions experience more distinct seasons than in the United States, especially in the north and east. Western and northern Europe tend to have higher humidity and more frequent rain, which can feel different from the drier climate some Americans are used to. Climate change is also impacting Europe, causing rising temperatures, unpredictable weather, and more extreme events like heavy storms or droughts. When planning your move, research the specific climate of your chosen destination. Think about how the weather will affect your daily life, from clothing needs to energy costs for heating or cooling. Coastal areas with oceanic influence usually have milder winters, but you should still prepare for seasonal variations. In colder regions, good insulation and heating systems are essential, while in warmer zones, air conditioning might be necessary. Knowing these climate differences helps you make smarter choices about housing, lifestyle, and health preparations. Whether you prefer the milder, damp weather of Western Europe or the hot, dry summers of the Mediterranean, understanding what to expect will make your transition smoother. Remember, adapting to Europe's climate is part of the adventure of living abroad, and being prepared will help you enjoy all the new experiences ahead.